Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You've opened Keyword Planner and you're ready to act. First, set your location and language so results match where you sell. Then choose Search Network and enter 5-10 seed keywords or a competitor domain to seed ideas. Explain why. Accurate location and intent filter out noise and surface relevant volume data. Once done, make sure budgets and date ranges reflect current seasonality so your initial keyword list is meaningful and actionable. Now you refine the raw list. Run Discover New Keywords, then pull search volume and forecasts to rank opportunities. Use filters. Choose min monthly searches, exclude high competition if budget is low, and sort by estimated CPC to prioritize ROI. Group related keywords into thematic buckets. This helps map keywords to specific landing pages or content. Also check trends over 12 months, so you know whether a keyword is rising or seasonal before committing resources. To finish, export your prioritized lists and assign intent labels like purchase or research so you can plan content and bids. Implement chosen keywords in campaigns with appropriate match types and negative keywords to control relevance. If results look sparse, don't panic. Broaden match types, test long-tail variants, or increase location scope. One troubleshooting tip: if forecasts show 0 impressions, double-check targeting, bid estimates, and that you didn't accidentally filter out all results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.